Imagine having the freedom to work from anywhere and receive your payment from anywhere. So stick around, because today I'm going to show you how to set your PayPal account and receive money from anywhere, especially if you love working online, or if you are someone who just want to know how to set up a PayPal account. This video is definitely for you. So if it's your first time to see this face on YouTube, my name is called Mose Wamkota. I post twice a week on tips and tricks on how to make money online. So if you haven't subscribed, please go on and do so that you cannot miss our future uploads on tricks and tips on how to make money online. So let's get started. First, head over to paypal.com. Once you are in, you can click sign up, and then you can choose personal account or business account. But for our sake, we are going to choose business account. When you choose personal account, this is where you send, spend, and manage your money. When you choose business account, this is where if you want to sell online, things like digital products, or if you want to receive donation, you can choose business account. Now for this demo, we are going to choose business account. Then click get started. The next thing that you need to do is that you need to choose your region or country. You can select from this broad list. So for my sake, I'm going to choose Kenya. Now when you click next, you'll need to enter your email address, your phone number. Once you have done this, you need also to create a strong password. This password should contain at least 8 to 20 characters, and each character should contain a symbol, a letter, or special numbers. Now, once you have finished creating your strong password, the next thing that you need to do is that you need to enter your personal information. And make sure that this information is correct and matches your national ID. Now let's try to fill this information. My nationality here is, I'm going to choose a Kenyan. My first name is Mose, last name is Wamkota. ID type is national ID, and I'm going to enter my ID number and date of birth. Once you have finished filling up our form, let's click next. Here you need to enter your billing address. Address line 1, you can enter your nearby school or any institution. Now I'm going to fill in my city as Bungoma, and my postal code is this one. Once we have finished setting up, we need to click agreement, and this is terms of agreement. So we need to click agree and create account. And boom, our account is ready. Once our account is ready, we can shop online, send money, or we can link our card. Now this is our PayPal dashboard. Our PayPal balance is $0.0. You can create invoice, add a bank or a card. Let's finish setting up our account by confirming our email. So what we are going to do is that I'm going to check my email inbox to confirm our account. Congratulations, we have confirmed our email. So if you are watching this video from Kenya or anywhere, there are several ways in which you can link your mobile money to PayPal. For our case, we are going to link PayPal to Mpesa. We need to head over to Google, then type in PayPal Mpesa. The first website that will appear is the one that we are going to click on. A new tab will open saying welcome to PayPal Money Service with Mpesa. Once you are in, click get started. They will ask you to log in with your PayPal. Here, you need to enter the email that you registered with PayPal or a phone number. Then enter your PayPal password. Then click login. You need to agree to terms of services and connect. Here you will need to enter your phone number. Then click you are not a robot. PayPal will send a confirmation code to your phone number. So you need to enter this confirmation code to confirm that your number is real you. Once you have confirmed you are done, you can now start using the service. Now let's top up our PayPal. You can click on top up. Then you need to calculate the amount of money you need to convert into USD. Now to do this, you need to open your Mpesa, then select Lipa na Mpesa. Then enter 8088 as your business number, and your phone number is account number. Now for our case, let us top up our PayPal account with $2. That is 267 shillings. So let me go to Mpesa, then enter business number is 8088. Account number is my phone number. Now, once we have done that, let us check our PayPal account if this money has reflected on it. Yes, my PayPal account is with the $2 balance, meaning that the transaction has gone successful. You can check your email inbox to confirm the transaction history. Now you can use this money to buy things on AliExpress, send donations, or you can request money, especially if you love working online. There are many platforms and many games that pays via PayPal. For example, we have Free Cash. You can download Free Cash on Google Play Store, then start playing games on that app. Once you reach withdrawal threshold, you can withdraw your money via PayPal. We have another fantastic app that pays via PayPal. It's called aninat.com. You can head over to Google or even Google Play Store, then download aninat.com, then start playing games here. Or even you can take surveys. We have survey sites like Inbox Dollar, Survey Junkie, Multiples, Prolific, and even YouGov. These apps pays via PayPal. So the more you play, the more you earn, the more you withdraw to your PayPal account. So let me know in the comments if you have any issue setting up your PayPal account. So there is a link in the description that you can join straight away and start setting up your PayPal account. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and turn on notification bell so that you cannot miss our future uploads. As always, Mose loves you. Till the next time, God bless you. Bye.